got my mesh set up. I've got a fairly bright sun shining on it at a strength of 12. So yeah, that looks all fine. So there's my little Suzanne, and her characteristics are nothing, no material associated with it right now. Now I want to add the appearance of glass. So I'll do a new, and I'll scroll down. I'll move transmission all the way up to 1. That's interesting. Now it's all gone black. And now I'll move, let's just shade that smooth. And now I'll move the roughness all the way down to 0. And if you can see, you'll see that it's just kind of absorbing light. There's the sun shining, you would have thought, brightly on it, so that would reflect something, but it's not. Check where we are. We're in rendered. Going to material view. Well, so it seems to be working there. Material preview, I should say. But that's probably because it's taken advantage of materials preview kind of default background HDRI. The point is, it's missing an HDRI. That's the problem. Solution: in the shader editor, move to the world view. We'll add, search for an environment texture, open, and let's go for wasteland clouds. That's probably one from Polyhaven. Thank you. Oh, it ain't attached to anything right now. Let's delete that and attach the color here to the color there. Right, and this time it clearly is transparent, or glassy anyway, I should say. It's not yet transparent, that's another story. So that's good to have that. So it's clearly kind of reflecting we've got the sky kind of coming through there. I'll shade that smooth a bit more. Sky coming through there, so that's all looking much better. So you need an environment texture in your world.